So it's been very cold. I know I had to defrost my car this morning, Casey. What is the weather looking like this week?
Yeah, Caroline, I mean, so did I. It's very, very cold. It is feeling very festive, though, for us right now. 14 degrees here in the Springs at this hour, and it feels like 8 degrees. So a chilly morning for us across the board. Let's take a look at our temperatures in our higher terrain. -3 right now in Westcliff. 0 in Woodland Park, 9 in Monument, so our higher terrain 0 to the negatives, and our lower terrain and valleys in the teens. With the wind chills, it feels like 0 to -10 degrees. Bundle up, plan accordingly, and as Caroline just said, you're probably going to need to defrost your car. Now, we aren't tracking major snow showers today, but this upper level low that gave us some snow and wind this weekend is not done with us just yet, friends. Here's a look at satellite and radar right now. We can see some snow showers over Nebraska and a surface low to the east. Now, watch what happens here on Futurecast as we go through the day. We're going to see that low retrograde, which is a fancy word for kind of move backward, in this case to the west. So towards this evening, that low moves back towards Colorado, and on Tuesday at around, I'd say 3 a.m., anywhere from midnight to 3 a.m. That's when we're going to bring snow showers back into the area between Denver and Colorado Springs, as well as the eastern plains. As we move through the day, we'll continue to see spotty snow showers, again, mainly north of US 24. Now, towards the afternoon, we may see a few snow showers make it down towards the Springfield area, but the main impacts are going to be the Palmer Divide and points north. And we're not looking at major accumulations once again with this system, but what we do need to talk about here is the wind that goes along with it. So take a look at this. Monday night into Tuesday morning, winds are going to really start to crank for us. Around 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., 55 to 60 mile per hour gusts along the eastern plains and along the Palmer Divide. That same pattern continues for us into the early afternoon hours on Tuesday with 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts that will start to reduce as we head later into the afternoon. And as a result, the National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for El Paso County, including Colorado Springs and Lincoln County from 2 a.m. tomorrow to 3 p.m. tomorrow, as well as a winter storm watch for the Palmer Divide and areas heading towards Denver, and a blizzard warning for the eastern plains. Even though we're only looking at a few inches of snow, 55 mile per hour winds with a few inches of snow is still going to result in whiteout conditions. So stay tuned to future forecast updates here on First Alert 5 as we continue to track this winter storm that really just keeps on giving. And as we take a look at your temperatures today, we're going to be cold. It's going to feel like Christmas. 32 for the high in the Springs, and across the area we're looking at low to mid 30s in general, no matter where you are, and upper 20s as we head up into the higher terrain. Now in our Super 7-day forecast, I have us at a 3 out of 5 storm impact on Tuesday due to that wind concern. We may also see a few snow showers in the Springs, but it's really more of a wind concern than anything else. And then the rest of the week is calm and dry. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s overall. Tuesday winds here looking at 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts, as I was just mentioning. In Pueblo, sort of a similar story, a little bit less wind. You might see a few snow showers, so you've got the 2 out of 5 storm impact scale. It's also going to be really cold tonight, so bundle up again for your morning commute tomorrow before we'll rebound nicely to a 53-degree high on Friday. Canyon City, you will also have a 53-degree high on Friday. Thursday, not too bad either, with a high of 50 degrees. It'll be a little breezy for you tomorrow, but not as breezy as some of the other areas I was just talking about. And in Woodland Park, you should expect some snow showers throughout your day tomorrow. Not major accumulations, but you will also see the breezes, which will temporarily reduce visibility with that snow as well.